do hear of women who have been perfectly fine all their lives and then suddenly, when they're pregnant, begin to have some symptoms such as panic attacks. It's not unusual that when life is going along reasonably smoothly and there are no major changes or stresses, we all function at our best under those circumstances. But something such as a pregnancy can really impact a person's functioning. There are some indications of some women who may be more prone to getting postpartum depression or disorders, and those are people who've had some mental health concerns in the past. Those women who've had mothers themselves who had postpartum disorders are more prone to getting these as well. Those women who've had some difficulties with interpersonal relationships, who've had major depressive disorders or major psychiatric problems are more prone to getting perinatal or postpartum disorders themselves. Any of us can be affected. It doesn't matter what religion, culture, socioeconomic background they come from. Each of these factors has some contribution to play, and the person's own background, their own experience of relationships and early relationships are very significant. Interestingly, it's often professionals who don't seek assistance because we often feel that we shouldn't be having the difficulties. We're privileged in some way, we have a good job, we should be able to talk our way out of these things. And yet, these difficulties are not ones that we can tell ourselves we don't have, just like we can't tell ourselves we don't have a fever. There's a process that goes along with this, and there's a necessity for investigation, for understanding, and for treatment.